Okay, so the next traffic light, turn left to the traffic light, please. What I'm going to ask you, as we turn left at the traffic light, very good. So you done your mirrors, you done your signal, your positioning, you slow down, and then L. L means looking. So you're looking ahead and looking inside the road you're turning into, isn't it? Yeah. Now, when you turn into this road, what did you saw? What was in your? What did you saw there? Tell me. I want to see what did you saw there as you turn left into this road.
Right, I saw the speed limit of 20.
Good. So you saw them, yeah?
So
excellent
20.
work. Very good. And that's very important to start showing to the examiner that you know about the speed limits and maintaining the speed limit. If you don't see any other speed limit sign on this road, what's the speed limit here?
It's going to be 20.
20. So it's very important because sometimes it says on the theory that if the lampposts are so close, the speed limit is 30. It doesn't work in modern day and age. Sometimes it's not. Right? Look how many lampposts are over there. People will get confused. So it's important to look for the signs every time when you're joining a new road or once you have joined the new road, because sometimes when you're about to join a new road, the signs may be here